Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Priceless Brenda and I'm a YouTuber based in Italy. And for my old subscribers, thank you very much for always coming back to click on my video and start watching. I really appreciate for just clicking alone and watch a little bit of it. I really appreciate you so much. Thank you. And for those of you that have not subscribed, Bikonu is not difficult. Just click on that red subscribe button. Click on the notification bell so you can watch any of my video whenever I post it. Okay, thank you so much. So guys, before diving into the video of today, I want to ask you a question. Have you heard that the national anthem of Nigeria have been changed? It's a shocking news, right? Not that they've changed it, guys. We are planning to change it to the one I'll be singing to you now. We are planning to change it to this one, okay? Because the one we had since 1960 is not doing anything for us, so we want to change it to this very one. So I feel this one is even better for us, okay? So let me just try and sing only the chorus. I can't sing. Let me not finish it because I will drop the video in the description box so you can go and watch for yourself. So let me sing only the chorus, okay? If you are watching me, just place your hand on your head like this. Don't be shy. Even if somebody is close to you, be serious about this national anthem that I want to teach you now, because it is very important. If you have children, then tell them to do like this, the way I'm doing now. Okay, don't be shy. Do like this. Oh yeah, attention, oh yeah, start singing. If you touch my private part, I will tell. If you touch my private part, I will tell. You can also do like this. If you touch my private part, I will tell it to my daddy. If you touch my private part, I will tell. If you are a child there, sing along. If you touch my private part, I will tell. If you touch my private part, I will tell. If you touch my private part, I will tell it to my mommy. If you touch my private part, I will tell. Yes. You see, the last time I made a video about this Baba Ijesha issue. If you've not seen that video, please just go back to my videos and you'll see it is the last video I made. It's about Baba Ijesha, an old man, 41-year-old man that molested just a 14-year-old girl, okay? Go back and watch that video. I think a lot of parents, they've seen that video in Nigeria now. So now they are trying to try. Okay, they are trying to try and forget about those days way of taking care of children and do the recent one. See here, I said in that my last video that parents are the cause of their children being molested. Okay, if you talk to your children, they will. If you play with them, you talk to them, there are times, you know, like you play with them, there are times when you are serious, they will know you are serious, and you teach them something, allow them, like, make them feel free. It's just only you that can make them feel free with you. If you are not free with them, they will never be free with you. If you see them all the time and you frown your face, your children can never come close to you. They'll be scared of you as their parents, and which is not right. Just play with them, talk to them, tell them about sex, tell them, just call your child, say, honey, this place, nobody's supposed to touch you there. Show that child where they are not supposed to touch, and tell her, if it's a he, tell him or her, if somebody touches you here, report to me. If somebody touches you here, report to me. You see, now our people, now they are listening to us. So for those of you like that always on social media advising people, now it seems they are taking the corrections anyway. So guys, I'm happy about this video. The teachers in that school taught these children how to sing this song, okay, and they learned it very fast. So my question is, if you touch my private part, I will tell it to my daddy, I will tell it to my mommy. If you touch my private part, I will tell. Fine and okay. So who will then now tell if their parents touches their own private part? Now, if an outsider touch you where they are not supposed to touch you, you go and tell your parents. If that parent touches that child, who will that child tell? You know, there are some fathers, they molest their daughters too much. When they start from a child, when the child start growing, the father start molesting that child. The child don't know what molestation is because nobody taught her anything. The mother won't tell you if somebody touch you here, because if the mother tells that daughter if somebody touches you, the daughter can also go to the mommy and say, mommy, daddy touched me here, daddy touched me here. So the mother eye will be open. You know, some of these stepchildren, they are with their stepmom, they are with their stepdad. Those people will be molesting and doing them anyhow. They can't say it because they are not friends with their father or their mother, the person that genuinely give birth to them. They are not friends with that person. Yeah, they are not friends with their biological mother. So when they see their real mom, they are always shaking. So whenever maybe the man molests the daughter, she cannot go to her mother and complain because she's not friendly with that child. Like I said in my video, you should be a friend, a sister, a brother, a teacher, a prayer warrior to your child. Like I asked before, if now people outside touch you, you come and tell your parents, how about if the parents molest the child? Who will the child now tell? And the father will tell the girl, if you say to your mother, I will beat you, who will the child now tell? So today we are going to lay a course. I don't like it when people say, hey, we'll wait for the law of karma to catch up with that person. Karma exists. This karma stuff is bullshit to me. I know there is, but there are some people, they just escape it. They escape it. They will just, let's lay a course on that person. If you do that, hey, please, in the comment section, lay your course. I don't want to cost too much on this, my video. Just drop your own course for this. Any man or woman that will molest, any parent, a man or woman that will molest his or her child, lay a course on that person in the comment section, because there are some idiotic parents out there. There are some idiotic parents out there that want to destroy the life of their children. I've seen a story here that the father impregnated. No, this is not even a story. I saw it with my eyes in the same, like, this is the street and the next street. The girl was carrying her father's own child. Like, if you can't born the pikin now, you could contact the pikin say your granddad is your dad. Hey, Jesus, oh. Your granddad is your dad. Huh, my God. How about those parents that molest children? Mo kuna tell me how we go do them, because the children cannot go and tell an outside that my daddy touched me here, my daddy, because they don't have that close relationship. What is going to happen to those parents? Lay a curse on them in the comment section for me. Some useless parents. I love this national anthem anyway, yeah, because now I think things are changing. And please, mothers, fathers, teach your children, teach them this thing. Don't say, oh, she's just 8 years old, I can't tell her this thing. Oh, she's just 7 years old. Even if she's 3 years old, start telling her, mama, if auntie touch you here, no. Teach her these things. There are ways children talk. They will understand you. You teach them. You just stop try and speak in their own language. There are ways you talk to babies now. There are some mature men that like 3-year-old. There are some that like 4 years old. Great by great. And if you see any auntie handling your child the way she is not supposed to, my sister, shun her. Warn her. Don't hold my child that way. That's how it starts. Hey, a fine boy, start drawing the boy's sugar stick. Problem start. Oh. So warn anybody you see touching your child, calling your child my wife. Don't allow that anymore. Those days when we are young, there are some uncles who say, oh, my wife, they will be touching you, you know. Because we are not close to our parents, we don't say anything, we feel it's normal. But it is not right, because even if they do anything to you, you will not say it. Why will you not say it? Because you are not close to your mom. Even if whenever she sees you, you are shaking like this. That is not the right way. Moms, you people should change. Moms of these days, don't be like the moms of those days that only the thing they only know. Read your book. do this, excuse me, do this, excuse me, they want to beat. If they beat you, you will die. Like some parents, if they beat, like when I was growing up, there are some parents I'll say, oh, my mom, she's good, safe. They will be matching their children on the floor, matching them. I'm not saying you guys should not spank your children sometimes, but it shouldn't be like you want to kill her. See, listen to me, oh. God gave children to you as a caretaker. Only caretaker now you be to the children. Oh. God not say me you kill that child. If you kill that child, God will never be happy with you. You can't go spoil landlord house like caretakers for house now. There will be other tenants and landlord go say, excuse me guys, landlord go say, I put you as a caretaker, be taking care of this house. If anything spoil, the landlord go they quarrel with the caretaker because he or she said, take care of my house. Okay, watch over it, take care of it. You don't have to spoil anything. That's how some parents go beat their children to the extent so they go almost blind that pikin. They go beat blood enter his eye. Have you guys not seen that kind of scenario that they will be matching that child on the floor? Even I see some parents beating their children in the marketplace. You want to kill that child, they'll be throwing that child on the floor. Some parents are like, man, no cause any parents. Yeah. They don't want to teach their children the main things they are supposed to learn. Only what? Read your books. We know we'll read our book, but the main things, have you taught them? Have you taught them? So please, what I'm trying to say in this video is teach your children. When they come back from school, call them, Sophia, Cynthia, John, how was school? She said, Mommy, school was fine. Okay, play with them. Do like a normal human being now, not always beating. So what they teach you today, they will tell you. You laugh with them. You laugh with them. Not because they fail one thing, you want to squeeze your face. Honey, next time, do not do this one like this. It's like this. She will say, okay. Hey, did anybody touch you here today? It's a question. She will say, no. No, because she loves you or he loves you, he wants to tell you the truth. And because you play with him, he wants to tell you the truth. He said, no, Mommy, nobody touched me there. Did anybody touch you here today? No. And you tell that child, do not ever allow anybody touch you here because it's wrong. Saying and start smile whenever saying it. Do not squeeze your face like as if somebody pulled in your front. Smile whenever saying all these things to them. Smile. Do not allow anybody touch you here because it is wrong in the sight of man and in the sight of God. Okay? The child will say, okay. And if the child go back to school and somebody tried to even do that and the person did not even succeed and the child come back home, Mommy, this boy or this girl tried to touch me here, tried to touch me here. Or even in that school, the child will shun that person. Don't do it. Oh, my mommy said nobody should touch me, and that child will still come home and say it. It's like the way you start teaching them. Yeah. Train up a child in the way he or she should grow. And when they are old, they will never depart from it. Yeah. Yes. So the ball is on the parent court. And for those parents that molest their children, the thunder that will fire you people is doing press up in China. The thunder that will hammer you people is doing sit up in Congo. And when it comes, you people will see fire. I don't want anybody to say the law of karma we catch up with them. Nemesis. No. The thunder must fire that person now. And I pray it in Jesus' name. For those of you that will watch to the end, please add an amen to this. So guys, if you've watched me to the end of this video, I really appreciate you all. Thank you. Drop your own opinion in the comment section. Okay, I will really appreciate it, and I will always reply your comments. Okay, thank you all for watching me to this point. I really appreciate you. For now, I'll be out now, but before going, If you are watching me and you know you've not subscribed, see my face now. Pity me. Pity your sister. Pity your sister. We are one. Oh, forget the color. We are one. We are all the same, either white or black. Now only one God now created us. Pity us. Now it is free. Oh. Just click it. Click it and click the bell. And click on all. Once you click that bell, set of bells will come out. The first one, just click it. Anytime I drop a video, bam, you will be the first to be notified. Thank you very much. I really appreciate it. For now, peace out. Mwah.